Okay, so the website that I chose to use was Fashion Nova, and Fashion Nova is an online clothing store. I'm using this on a regular desktop, and as you can see here, this is the regular view. The drop down arrows, the font is a little small, I personally think, but it works. And then you have different categories here for men and plus size, and they all look about the same when it comes to formatting. Let's go to a tablet. We'll do the iPad Pro, and it fits the screen nicely. Looks just like it would on a laptop. The font to me for the drop down arrows on an iPad are honestly look a little bit bigger to me than they did on the actual desktop itself, which I thought was weird, but and all of the font is big and easy to read on this. You can click on anything and it'll take you to different places, which is nice. So that works on the iPad Pro too. Click on a website, see if it goes. Yep. So that's nice for the iPad Pro. Let's check out the phone. We'll do a different types of phone, different couple types. The iPhone 3, which I don't think anybody has anymore, but it's still compatible, is very small, but the font is still pretty big. You can still read it very well. Let's try a different phone. Okay, so it's bigger now, obviously, and the font is still pretty big, which makes it really easy to read, which is nice. You can read anything, and then the drop down arrows are on this side. I don't know why it's not doing that, but so it doesn't look like it's very compatible. Oh, here we go. There we go. Just took a little bit. But yeah, so you can click on any of these and it should go and take you directly there, but I'm not sure why this is so slow. So as you can see, it's compatible on basically every device. So I think that's very nice. They also have an app that you can download on your phone too instead of using their website, but both work. So that's my website.